Garvin Industries' new universal breaker locks are a patented design that locks out just about any standard circuit breaker on the market today. They now come for 1-pole, 2-pole, and 3-pole breakers. The unique patented design comes complete with a set screw as well as a couple of nuts and bolts and a locking bar that holds it in place. The way you install the single pole breaker lock is sliding it right over any brand circuit breaker and tightening the set screw. The leg then provides a rigid mount, preventing the switch from being flipped on or off. On the 2-pole, as you can see, there's articulating arms that lock on either side of the 2-pole wrapped breaker, as well as a bolt on the locking bar that can be tightened by using the nuts on the top. You simply slide it over the top, tighten on the set screw, and then tighten the nuts to hold it in place, which prevents the bar from being flipped on or off. The 3-pole works the exact same way. Simply align it with the 3-pole wrapped breaker, tighten the set screws, align it, and then tighten the nuts, which again prevents it from being flipped in the on or the off position. Again, these work with GE, Siemens, Cutler Hammer, Cooper, you name it, it fits any breaker lock. Only stock one lock. Make it a Garvin Industries breaker lock. For these and other great products, be sure to visit us online at garvinindustries.com.